Hello everybody, so today we are going to make a summary about the main things that we have seen until now, okay? This is an English class summary about the unit number 1, Information and Communication Technologies. It is important that you remember that in English we must develop 4 main skills. We have to listen in English, we have to speak in English, we have to read in English, and also we have to write in English. Through the worksheets that I have sent you, we develop in every worksheet 1 skill. And these are also based in your book and in the unit number 1. Okay, this is your book and this is the unit that we are working. Now, I'm gonna give you some suggestions, some tips for you to practice at home every skill. To practice the listening comprehension at home, you can listen to music, you can watch movies, in English of course, or you can watch videos. It's important that at home you listen in English to improve your listening skill. To practice your reading comprehension, you can read short stories, you can read news, you can read the lyrics of a song you like, you can read the transcriptions of a movie, or you can read a comic. For example, this is one of the activities that we have worked together. In this activity, to practice the reading, first, you have to read it, then you have to look for the words that you don't understand, and I always suggest you to look for the words that you don't know in the online dictionary wordreference.com. So, you see the word you don't know, you look for it in the dictionary, and then you see what it means in Spanish. It's important that you get the main idea always of every paragraph and then the main idea of the text. This is an easy way for you to understand what you are reading. You have to look for the words that you don't know. To practice the speaking, the oral expression, we have worked using tongue twisters. The tongue twisters are a way to practice your speaking, to practice the sounds. You can also at home sing in English. Sing a song you like or repeat different dialogues, but you need to speak in English for you to practice to improve your speaking. Writing is a little bit more difficult for some of you, but you can write completing and writing following a model as we do in the worksheets. You write, but you follow different models. You can also, if just in case you want, you can download an app called Duolingo. In this app, you can write in English in your cell phone. You can write, you can listen, you can speak, and you can practice like playing, okay? And also, you can rewrite vocabulary from your book. You see the word in a book, and then you write it in your notebook. That is another way to practice your writing skill. Now, I'm gonna show you some of the contents that we have seen until now. So, we have here quantity expressions. For example, we have a lot of. A lot of means muchos, un montón de. And we have all. That means todo o toda. For example, this guy says, do you know you can download a lot of apps to your tablet? And then she says, I use apps to buy all the things that I need. That is great. So we have a lot of and all that are quantity expressions, okay? You have to practice that. Also, we have seen the expressing possessions in the language focus. So, we have here, whose mobile phone is that? Whose mobile phone is that? ¿De quién es ese teléfono móvil? And she says, it's mine. Mine means mío o mía. That is expressing possession. The tablet is hers. We use the possessive pronouns to avoid the repetition of a word already said. For I use mine. For you, yours. For he, his. For she, hers. For we, ours. And for they, theirs. And here we have the meaning of the possession expressions. Mine means mío, mía. Yours, tuyo, tuya. His, suyo, suya. His, the él. Hers, suyo o suya. Hers, de ella. Ours, nuestro, nuestra. Ours, de nosotros. Theirs, suyo o suya. Theirs, de ellos. Okay? It is very important that you don't get confused with this. So I suggest you to practice these expressions at home. Okay? Remember that for every pronoun, you use a possessive pronoun. It depends on the owner. It depends on the pronoun, okay? Don't forget that. And in case you don't understand something, in case you have questions, you can write me to my email. Don't forget to do that. If you have any question, you can write me to my email, okay? Okay, bye-bye.